All right. I'm glad I could provide you all with a little comic relief here towards the end of the day, I hope. I want to be clear. I introduced this map largely to make a point. Several points. We can draw a map any way we want, and we can use any dynamic in drawing that map, but we never defined it. I look at the Ad Astra map, I see that in District 1, it reduces the African American population by 0.4%. District 2 goes up by 4%. District 3 goes down by 3.2%. And District 4 is pretty flat. And the Hispanic vote goes down 1.6% in District 1, up 5.6% in District 2, down 4% in District 3, and is flat in District 4. When we look at Prairie Dog, it's pretty flat. The African American vote goes down in District 1 by 0.1%. It's flat in District 2. It goes up by 0.5% in District 3 and up by 0.1 in District 4. The Hispanic vote goes down by 9.6% in District 1, up by 1% in District 2, down by 0.5% in District 3, and up by 8.1% in District 4, bringing the total Hispanic population to 21.6%. More representative of an area that has 47% Hispanics. I'm not saying that the Prairie Dog map is what we should do. What I am saying is that we did not define any of these variables in committee. We did not talk at all about how we were going to make this decision. And more importantly, we did not define what diluting voting strength means. And perhaps most importantly, we didn't ask the affected populations what that meant to them and how they defined it. So we failed on that front. And we haven't proven the rule that we would not have the purpose or effect of diluting minority voting strength because we didn't ask. There's another issue that I want to talk about regarding another rule in our committee. It's the rule on compactness. It says we will draw the districts as compact as possible and contiguous. I brought this up in committee. We've had 10 maps between the House and the Senate that have been introduced. There's a scale that's in the technical information on each of these maps. It's like the REOC scale. 0 to 1, 1 being the most compact. So a number closer to 1 is more compact. This is in our rules. The blue stem map is 0.52, Buffalo is 0.51, Prairie Dog's 0.45, Meadowlark 5 is 0.45, United is 0.44, Sunflower 3 is 0.43, Mushroom Rock is 0.39, Ad Astra is 0.39, Meadowlark is 0.38. We have chosen the second least compact map of all the options available to us. That's in our rules. It was mentioned earlier that we should be okay with Ad Astra 2. We should accept it because we followed the process. I would argue that we didn't follow our own process. We didn't follow our own rules. We've heard a lot about math and the importance of math. This is just a math problem we're trying to solve. That's true. It is a math problem. But there's a lot of missing information that we need to do this, to solve this equation. And we didn't define any of the variables that we were going to consider. We just put a map out, let some other people put maps out, and then in 5 days, I'm gonna look through my notes. I think this was introduced on the 20th, and according to the website, and today's the 25th. So that, I know there were hearings, I know all of that, but the maps and the discussion and how we were gonna make this decision, that wasn't part of the conversation. I think it's important, this is a political process, we can all acknowledge that. But we wrote rules for ourselves, then we didn't follow them, and we didn't define them, and we actively violated them. And I'm gonna tell you, when you look out in the world and you say, it's fallen apart, people don't have any sense of values or morals or fairness, it starts right here. It starts in this building. What we do, the tone we set, the way we use or abuse our power tells the public that it's okay, that not only is it okay, it's expected, and a win-all-cost mentality is what you do. We reap what we sow.